Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Kiwi dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So today I chose the Kiwi dollar as the most popular pair from the MyFX book, Sediment. Once a day, I will be picking a pair that is one of the more popular pairs that I am not analyzing on a daily basis. So the Kiwi dollar, very similar to the Aussie dollar. I mean, to me, it still looks like this is either an A or a 1. Now, we had a huge reaction at this high right here. Very, very strong push down. But I'm still overall very bullish. I mean, yeah, it definitely should be looking for sorts of time frames, but I still think that at some point it is going to end up continuing back up and maybe even taking out both of these previous highs, because it looks like 5 waves down, you should get 1, 2, 3 waves up for like an ABC shape. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a very, very strong move to the downside, as you can see. I kept my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because I just wanted to show that this move down is definitely not a correction to this move up. It could be a correction to the whole move up, but it's definitely not a correction to just the last wave. So, I mean, I think we should be looking for sorts of time frames. I mean, it could possibly go all the way back down to these lows before it bounces and continues up to form that monthly time frame pattern. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Technically on the daily, we should probably actually get rid of this on here. Not the wave 0, but the Fibonacci retracement, like this. Because now we know that this is definitely not a correction to just this wave right here. Like I said, it could be a correction to this whole move. But either way, we should probably be looking for sorts. Now, this move down, I would say, is either wave A or wave 1. Then at some point, probably around this low that we're at, we're probably going to get a push up, which would be a correction to the move down, either wave B or wave 2. Then I would expect another push down, and if it really is a wave C, then it would go down to a Fibonacci level, make a break of structure, proving it's a wave C and continuing the uptrend. If it's a wave 3, it will still likely bounce from Fibonacci levels, but it will not break structure, but instead it will just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So that's why I always say it's not that really that important to know the difference between an ABC and a 1, 2, 3, at least until you get into the third wave where you're trying to decide whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level is still right here, so the trend is definitely still down, but most wave A's or wave 1s do end around the previous structure of the last move, so I do think that it's likely at some point it probably will go up and it will break structure. I personally will not be going long until it actually does give me a break of structure, but once it does give me a break of structure, I will definitely start looking for longs because the move up will likely be a correction to the whole move down for either a wave B or a wave 2. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm not going to go long until I see a break of structure. And if it doesn't break structure and it just keeps on going down, then I'll just continue to look for sorts. But if it does decide to go up and break structure, which I think it probably will soon, within the next day or so, then I will definitely, after the break of structure, start looking for pullback entries. I think that it's likely going to make like 5 waves of A, probably 3 waves of B, and 5 waves of C for an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, just like I was explaining on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.